Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Sportage, Kia Sorento with a 2.4 GDI engine guys, and you need to remove or replace engine starter. Stay with us guys, we'll explain where it's located, what you need to do to get to it, and how to remove and replace it. You need to follow two safety things guys. If you do it wrong, you can first cause damage to your wiring harness guys, and second, you can even burn engine computer. So stay with us and we'll explain what we are talking about. So this should work on Kia Sportage and Kia Sorento different years. For instance, they start using it in early 2012 all the way to 2016-17 depending on the market guys. That's a 2.4 GDI engine. So before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the garage guys, we take them completely apart and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Also guys, if you want to buy parts or tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Specifically, this is an engine out of a 2013 Kia that we'll be demonstrating on. And with that being said, okay, if you have a Kia guys or other vehicle, check our main channel Auto Repair guys. We have videos that have helped more than 120 million people guys, that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So this is guys the engine right here. As you can see, we removed the intake manifold. That's the intake manifold. If you want to see how to remove the intake manifold, we have the complete video step by step how to remove intake manifold on Kia Sportage, Kia Sorento guys. Once you remove the intake manifold, if you come okay to about right here, okay, let me explain what we have. That's our engine starter. Now you cannot just go ahead and remove it. You have a positive wire on the starter that will be disconnecting. You have a positive wire on the alternator. Before you start working on your car, you need to disconnect the car battery, number one. On these modern cars guys, if you don't do it the right way, you can cause damage to the engine computer, electronic components, modules, and that can cost you thousands of dollars to fix. So it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect or reconnect first. And if you don't know that, we'll put a link to a video in the description below that will explain all that. Once you have the car battery disconnected guys, what you can do, right here you're supposed to have a tooth, okay, that you press in and you disconnect the signal wire from the ignition. Check it out, ours is broken from all that heat. It fell apart or somebody practically broke it when they didn't know how to remove it. Next, right here you have okay, that 12 volt battery wire that comes from the battery to the starter. You will need to go ahead, make sure the car battery again is disconnected, because if you touch that wire to anywhere on the engine, you'll see sparks flying and you can burn okay your computer's electronics and wiring harness. Okay, what else we have? We have only two more bolts and that starter will come out. The bolts are towards the transmission side. They actually hold the transmission, the starter and the engine together on that side. 14mm socket guys, okay, and we're going to go ahead okay and get them loose. So let's go ahead, do that. If you want to see guys how to test engine starter on Hyundai vehicle guys, we have it on our channel Auto Repair guys. Check it out, it will teach you everything from start to finish. Okay, so one of the bolts is ready. Now we need to go ahead and remove the top bolt. Okay, you can see how long this bolt is because it's going all the way from the transmission to the engine starter guys. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and do the second one. Okay, great. And here I'm going to hold it now, and that starter guys just came out. That's how you remove it. If you want to know the symptoms of bad engine starter and how to test engine starter, the video will be on our channel. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.